Do you know what's funny? Do you know what's funny? A lot of people like to sleep on the street 24 hours a day. They'd rather to be on the street more than be into a home. I just gave this individual some change, female, because she want to be on the street. I said to her, hey, you want to get off the street? She said, hell no. She don't need to get off the street because nobody can tell her what to do. And if she get off the street, she don't want to hear none of that stuff, what to do. She make her own decision. I say, God, I'm right, but you're sleeping on the street. You know what you told me? Don't worry about it. That's the mentality of some of the female. They'd rather to be on the street more than stay in the hotel or in the motel or in the apartment. So there is no hope for some of these people, male or female. Don't get shit twisted. No matter how good you're trying to be, some of these people cannot change their ways, which you should not try to do. But the living condition, if you try to change the living condition, it's much better than trying to change their ways. They also don't want the living condition to be changed. They sleep at the bus stop. They urinate at the bus stop. So how are you going to change those people's ways? They're going to say they have mental problem. Of course some of them have mental problem. But it's much easier for them to be there. They don't have to clean up. They don't have to cook. They don't have to make up beds. They don't have to feed the dog. They don't have to feed the kitty cat. They don't have to wash their clothing. So they're content. So you have to leave them in the seat of the scornful. Don't get shit twisted that the Creator said you're supposed to help. No. You don't see the birds helping each other. You don't see the four-footed beasts helping each other. You don't see the folds of the hair helping each other. I know what you're going to say. I know what you're going to say. They're not human being. Only human being must help human being. That's the mentality and that's what you've been taught. But look into yourself. If a dog have a piece of meat or a bone and another dog try to take it away, that dog is going to rip that other dog up. That's not the nature. And that's why we can't overstand the laws of nature. No! So with the female that I gave some change to, she'd rather sleep on the street or the sidewalk and beg for money. And I told her, money is not a thing that you give away. She said she don't want to hear none of that. And that's how it is in life. Those people don't want to hear the real thing. Because they're locked up. Mental problem. Once you have mental problem, it's kind of hard to take care of those people. And it's very hard for those people. You know what I mean? You can't help those people. And that's not the nature to help those people. It's not designed for those people to be helped. No. It's not designed for those people to be helped. And by not designed for those people to help, you're going to have a lot of problems. In trying to help them. You know what I'm saying? And there's no help coming from above. That's all the way it is.
I said every day my people dying. They don't have no food to eat. Dirty water to drink.
Do you know what is funny? A lot of black people say the white man is a devil. For many, many time gone, they said the white man is a devil. And you know what is funny? Some of these black men is marrying the white man children. They also forget about the brutality that the white men place on their physical body. They also forget about that. Now marrying the children of the white men, the black men content with the marrying of the white man children. And that's how they do it. What's up, pretty girl?
Hey, what you looking for, Daddy? Little sexy Daddy?
Looking for my friend.
Oh, yeah, I'm not your friend.
You don't want to be my friend?
I could be your friend. I'm just saying I'm not, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, okay, my darling. Be good. Yes, interruption. As I said, the black man's children is marrying the white man children because they're comfortable in that doing. They all forget, this young generation, they all forget what the white man did with their grandmothers and grandfathers. They care less about that. They're saying they were not there. So the physical brutality that took place with their grandmothers and grandfathers, they're absolutely not interested to hear about that. It doesn't bring any sorrows to their thought, neither their mind, neither their condition. So they said, well, I were not there. And that's the problem we're having today. Because the black man, he figure if he's with a white woman, he better off in his doing. It doesn't matter what type of white woman he had, or he picked up off the street. In his mind, he's better off in his doing. And that's how we go along right now. He's not thinking, hey, these are all the people that hurt my grandmother and grandfathers in the past. If it come to a point, maybe these people hurt me as they did with my grandmothers and grandfathers. They have no thinking of that in their thought. And that's why the white man can do what he want with these people. Straight up. He can do anything he wants with these people. And by he can do anything with the black man, he don't care. Hey, hey, hey. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Messing around with these people. Yes, the black man doesn't give a damn about himself no more. because he don't care what the white man do with him. He do not care what the white man do with him. White man want to beat him up, you go ahead. And that's what's going on with my black people. My black people lost a sense of direction. And they care less. So we're not going to come back. We're not going to be back on the right track. We're going to be stuck like Band-Aid. Trying to find homes for our people, find food for our people. Find shelter for our people. We're not thinking like that anymore. It's dog eat dog right now. Huh? Dog eat dog. Nobody cared to help each other like in the past. 1 and 2 is trying, but they're wasting time. They're wasting time. Because those that you're helping, they turn around and they speak bad about you. So people say, you know what? Why should I be helping this person? And they speak bad of me. And they're not trying of themselves to help themselves. Just look what's going on. You're trying to help somebody? Look, in the first place, let me say something so you can understand. Money should not be given to other people. Money is a thing you work for. And that's how it is in life. So we don't have to play no game with that. If you cannot work, then maybe you can get a little. Otherwise, you don't give money away. Let them do something for it. Very simple. Let them do something for it. And if they can do nothing for it, that's the time you can give them some money.
Play with the blue eye man. Walk with the children. Play with the blue eye
That's all
man. You don't know what you're doing with this blue eye
Once you
man.
don't understand that,
You don't know, you don't know. You don't know. You don't know this blue eye
you
man.
don't understand. As I said, peace, respect.